Hello there, teacher. At this moment, I am going to talk about a quote which is: if an animal does something, we call it instinct. If we do the same for the same reason, we call it intelligence. I'll start by taking a bit about instinct and intelligence. The instinct is an innate or unconscious behavior that is transmitted in a living being, this in an animals. Intelligence is a faculty of the mind that allows us to learn, understand, make decisions, and form a certain idea of reality. And for that, I agree with this quote. The animals act by instinct because it establishes automatic mechanisms tending to facilitate life. They can be related to more or less general behavior, such as the impulse to move in a certain way to look for food. But this routine varies according to the species, since their food is different. That of hunting, that of playing, that of create a place to live and socialize with each other, etc. For example, when they are in danger, they avoid it instinctively, but not because they think about the consequence that could happen. On the other hand, the human being takes advantage by acting differently because he has the ability to reason and therefore carries intelligence, which includes skills such as the ability to abstract, the ability to use the knowledge acquired to do anything, define new objects or events, the ability to use tools, the ability to use a language, self-awareness, etc. Also, we are aware of our tendencies, movements, behaviors, and attitudes, and therefore we are in control of controlling them. The opposite happens with animals. All knowledge is relentlessly followed by a tendency, and to this, a behavior some moments. This acts by tendency. The animals minimize tendency to give way the behavior. They cannot be separated from each other. So the most important thing in the animals are the movements it makes. Another difference is that man is much more advanced than the brain of animals, and therefore we have the ability to reason much more than animals. In conclusion, what I think about the difference between men and animals, although it is a matter of controversy because some people believe in different theories, but in a context of faith, I can say that God created human being in his image and likeness, and that we men with several characteristics that he did not give to animals, such as the ability to think or reason, and here are its consequences.